Hello and welcome to Wholesale Solutions here in the beautiful downtown Loxley, Alabama. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2016 Tahoe LT with sun entertainment and destination, which means it's going to have a sunroof, navigation, and rear seat DVD Blu-ray disc player. Being a 2016, it's also going to have access to OnStar Remote Link app. Do a quick walk around for you. This car has less than 31,000 miles on it. It's still under factory warranty. There's the rear seat controls, bucket seats, second row, memory seats, Bose sound, Once again, this is Wholesale Solutions here in Loxley, Alabama. Thanks for watching.